Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Siti Nur Fazlina binti Ahmad Azman. Today I'm going to show the solution for a few questions according to the chapter 7 of mathematical method in physics, Fourier series and transform. So first of all, what you need to know about this topic, you need to know the general equation for the series. Okay, so the equation just like this: fx equal to 1 over 2 an plus summation of an cos nx plus the summation of bn sin nx. Okay, then to find the coefficient, to find the Fourier coefficient, you can use this formula. The a naught equal to 1 over 2 pi integration of the function dx an 1 over pi integration of the function cos nx dx and bn 1 over pi integration of the function sin nx dx. The limit of the function depends on the equations. Somehow it can be generally put it as negative pi to pi. Okay, so let's move to the next. Let's move to the question. Okay, so for the first questions, we are given this limit fx 0 to negative pi x 0 1 for 0 x pi. This. Okay, this. Okay, so the question is compute the Fourier series for these limits. Okay, so to find the Fourier coefficient for a naught, we can use 1 over 2 pi. Okay, so this one 1 over 2 pi integrate the fx dx. So we can take the first one. Since it is from negative pi to pi and it have two limits, negative pi to 0 and 0 to pi, so we need to separate it into this one. Negative pi 0, the function is 0, so we put it as 0 dx plus 0 to pi 1, the function is 1 dx. Okay, so we can conclude it as anything that need to integrate for 0, it will get 0. Okay, so let's focus on this one. Okay, so 1 over 2 pi integrate 0 to pi 1 dx, we could get 1 over 2 pi x pi 0. So this will get like this, pi minus 0 pi over 2 pi. So we can cancel it down. We get 1 over 2. Okay, we cancel the pi and we get 1 over 2. So the a naught 1 over 2. Okay, let's move for the an. For the an, we can use the formula of 1 over pi integrate the fx cos nx dx. Okay, as we can see previously, when we have two limits, we have two functions, somehow everything that need to be integrated for the zero will get zero, so we can ignore this one and focus on this limits 0 to pi with the function of 1. Okay, so we can proceed with this 1 over pi 0 to pi. Okay, fx 1 cos nx dx. Okay, 1 over pi. Okay, integrate the cos nx, will get sine nx over n 0 pi. So take out the n to the outside, we will get 1 over n pi sine n pi minus sine n 0. So both will get 0. So automatically this value turned out to be 0. Okay, so proceed for the bn. Bn, we can use the formula of 1 over pi, the function, integrate of the function sine nx dx. Okay, then we can use the limit of 0 to pi, 1 sine nx dx, take out the 1 to the outside, so we get 1 over pi. Integrate the sine nx, will get the negative cos nx over n 0 to pi. Okay, then take out the n to the outside, we will get 1 over n pi, negative n, we will get negative 1 over n pi cos n pi minus cos n 0. So for this one, there are two cases where first, okay, whatever it is, cos 0 will turn out to be 1. Okay, so there are two cases here where if you calculate by using your calculator, you will get whatever cos, when the cos, when the n is, okay, when n is odd and even. Okay, so we can try to see in this calculator, cos pi will get negative 1. Okay, so for odd n, we will get negative 1. How about cos 2 pi? I will get 1. So for even, for n is even, 1, this one turn 1, minus 1, so it will turn to be 0. So for the odd, this one will be the negative 1, this one will be the negative 1, so this will turn out to be negative 2, 1 over 2 n pi, negative 2, so it will get 2 over n pi. Okay, so for n is odd, we can get 2 over n pi. Okay, so for the complete answer for this question, if fx ao plus an plus bn, right, this is the general equation, right? So ao just now is 1 over 2, okay, plus with an is 0, plus bn, this one. So we can take this 2 over n pi, 2 over n pi plus 2 over n pi sine nx. So we could erase this n, okay, plus 2 over 3 pi sine 3x plus 2 over 5 pi sine 5x plus blah blah blah. Okay, so let's your answer be in this form, or you can erase this an, so it will be like this: 1 over 2 plus 2 over pi sine x plus 2 over 3 pi sine 3x plus 2 over 5 pi sine 5x plus. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.